Do you want to know the secret to a profitable and successful business? Do you want to know the secret that allows us to make money like this every single day? And no, it's not what you think. It's not running more ads, creating more content, and it's not hiring a better guru. It's having good and professional designs. And as odd as that may sound, it's the truth. Think about it. Would you trust this page or this video if it was poorly designed or looked like it was created in the 90s like this? Hell no. Instead, it has to be professional and eye-catching, like this. As the saying goes, the eyes eat first. You must grab the attention of your visitors with breathtaking designs and stunning graphics. The customers must see your dedication to your business and your logos, website, box shot, banners, flyers, and everything in order to trust you enough to buy whatever you're selling. I mean, take a look at any successful company. Apple, Tesla, Samsung, Instagram, or any other entrepreneur. They all have beautiful and stunning designs all across their business. Do you think they do that just because they like to spend money on designers? Of course not. We're talking about multi-billion-dollar companies. Companies that have scientists and data analysts behind it, and they know exactly how important it is to have good designs. But here's the issue. Creating good designs is not easy. It takes years, literally, to learn. You need to master Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, 3D Max, and more apps just to be able to create good designs. And not all of us have the luxury to learn all of that, and if you want to outsource it to a professional, you better be prepared to spend thousands of dollars. It's not cheap, and takes ages to find a good quality designer. But what if there was a way to bypass all of that? A way that would allow you to generate stunning and professional designs with literally a click of a button, without learning any complex app, and without paying anyone for help, and without even waiting. Meet Dzign, the world's first 9-in-1 app that uses AI to design anything in 40 seconds or less. Dzign comes with over 2,000 pre-made AI templates in hot niches, and you can easily generate logos, box shot, flyers, websites, funnels, e-covers, ads, banners, business cards, mock-ups, presentations, and more. No more paying monthly fees to Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Midjourney. With Dzign, you get access to 9 different design and graphic apps inside one central dashboard. Design Studio, Mockup Studio, Box Shot Studio, E-Cover Studio, Logo Studio, AI Photo Editing Studio, Media Studio, Image to Video Studio, AI Image Art Generator Studio, plus over 7 million royalty-free images and videos you can use in your design. This is amazing. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Dzign. Log into Dzign Intuitive Dashboard, then enter a keyword related to your niche or business. Select what kind of design you want. Hit Generate, and you're done. Now our AI will construct your designs from scratch and send it to you within seconds. And of course, you can edit it or adjust it if you want, but according to most of our customers, they didn't need to edit their design even once, because Dzign knows exactly what they want and exceeds all their expectations. But it gets 10 times better. Not only will you be able to use all of those stunning designs in your business, you'll be able to use it in your client's business too, because Dzign comes with a free commercial license for a limited time. Oh, and it'll also allow you to access our private built-in marketplace where you can sell your designs to millions of buyers and keep 100% of the profit. Every time we publish a new design on the marketplace, we get a surge of sales and put hundreds of dollars into our own pocket. Dzign will also help you line up customers that'll pay you hundreds of dollars for a box shot like this, a logo like this, a flyer like this, mock-up like this, or a website like this. The possibilities are endless, my friend. It doesn't matter what you do, Dzign is for you. Right now, I'm sure you're thinking, how much will this cost me? In simple words, Dzign replaces dozens of other apps that cost close to $2,000 in monthly payments. So if I decided to charge just $997 for it, it'd be a steal, right? But I know that's still a big commitment to many people. And last thing I want is to deny the people who need it the most access to Dzign. So So all I'm asking is to cover the cost of the server and pay a small one-time payment that's less than the price of a cup of coffee, and you'll get unrestricted access to Dzign. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Dzign for any reason, just send us a quick email and we'll refund every penny you pay. That's it. It's simple. If you're not satisfied with Dzign, then we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. Click the button below to get instant access to Dzign, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000 before the timers hit 0 and the price goes back to $997 a month. I'll see you inside.